Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson on Adobe Premiere Pro. In this lesson we're going to cover green screen. Now what is green screen? You may have heard in movies and other action films that they have to shoot in green screens, right? So why do they shoot on green screens? That's because they want to remove the background afterwards and then they can add another background or special effects. So that is what green screen is for. Green screen allows a user or an editor to make edits or remove backgrounds much more easier. So let's go ahead on Adobe Premiere Pro and I'm going to show you with a demo video how you can actually change the green screen background and give another background. Alright, so let's go into Adobe Premiere Pro and I'm gonna start showing you how you can do that. So right here we're back on Adobe Premiere Pro. So here what I'm going to do here is we have this interface. I have this screen right over here. I have my timeline, source panel, and my project. And I named my project green screen just because of this lesson right now. Okay. So basically I have some elements ready. I already downloaded some videos and a background video. Also, I want to add a simple music to my video. Okay, so what type of video are we going to make? I want to make a video about a cat who is in Candyland on Christmas. Okay, so I know it sounds a bit funny, but still for example purposes, I'm going to show you how you can actually change the background of that video. So let's go ahead and select our video. The video is in our bin right over here in the project box right over here, which is called the bin actually. So here I have my music and my backgrounds and my video as well, the main video. So I'm just gonna drag and drop it just like that right over here. All right, so this is our video. Okay, we have this video right now. And if I play it, you can see this cat is just sitting over there, okay? And the whole background is green. So it's a green screen, so it gives me a heads up to start editing, all right? So now, simply, we have to remove the background first. How do you do that? It's pretty simple if you know where to look. Now, to change the background, firstly, we're gonna have to go to the edits. All right, so if I go to the edits, but first you have to find a key which is called the Ultra key, which is in the effects. All right, so you'll find the effects right over here depending on what version you have on Adobe Premiere Pro. It will depend where you have your effects options. All right, so it's not that much of a similar, it's pretty much similar. It's not much of a different in different versions. No problem with that. You'll find it in the effects. Just go ahead into the effects right over here in the project panel. So click on it and you'll have to just type in Ultra. All right, just type in Ultra key. Okay, so you'll find the Ultra key marked right over here. Okay, right over here we have the Ultra key. It's beneath video effects, keying, Ultra key. All right, you just need to type in Ultra key and it will just appear just like that. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop this. All right, it's as simple as that. Just drag it and you can just drop it right over here. So after you've dragged and dropped it, now if I play the video, you can see nothing happens, right? Nothing changes or the green screen doesn't disappear. So for that, but the effect is already applied. If you take a look closely, you'll see that effect is applied already. All right, right over here it says effects. All right, so that means the effect is already added. All right, so how do we make this happen? How do we make the background disappear? It's pretty simple. All we need to do is go to our source panel. All right, and in our source panel you'll see that there is this bar hiding right over here which has the effects control panel. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete the audio from over here because we don't need that. So after deleting the audio, we can see the source panel has the video as well. All right, so we don't need this panel right now. What I need is I need to expand on this. All right, now if I expand on this just like this, you can see that the effect control has appeared. Now if I just click on the effect control, it won't just appear just like that. What I need to do here is I actually need to click right over here on the video, then its effect controls will be added. Now before I do this, now let's go ahead and select this Alt key. You can see once I click on Alt key, you can see all of these options are available. All right, so just like that, I'm just going to click on it, and here in the effects control, if I go down, I'll find this Alt key option right over here. All right, so that's because it's added right over here. Now if I minimize it, everything will disappear. All right, so I'm just going to maximize it again. All right, so you can see we have the Alt key activated. Now what I need to do here is I need to look at the key color over here. All right, the key color effect over here, you can see it's black currently. All right, so we need to change this color. Now changing this color is very easy as well. I can change it to any color I want for its detection purpose. All right, so it's actually detecting the color black. So it detects the black color and then makes it disappear. All right, so I want the green screen color to come over here in the fill color right over here. Okay, now to do that, I need to change the color as well. Now I can't just go ahead and change the green screen, or I just change the green color green from here to like this. All right, I can do that, no problem. Like you can see that it's already changed. All right, so I'm gonna change it back just for example. And if you're wondering how I changed it back, just use Control plus Z on your keyboard. And if you're on a Macintosh, on a Mac or any Apple device, you can just use the Command plus Z. All right, it's as simple as that. So what you can do more easily is that you can just go ahead and select this dropper right over here. Just select it, and now you can just collect any color. You can collect this color, or you can collect this color as well. All right, so you can see here it's the same, both is the same. So I'm just gonna select this color over here. Now you can see the background is gone immediately. All right, so our work here is already done. I can minimize it or I can maximize it as I wish. All right, so for instance, I want to maximize this one, this screen right over here, and let's just minimize this screen right over here. Let's just keep it right there. So let's keep this screen, and I'm working on this screen right over here. So after doing that, now we've removed our background very successfully. Okay, now if I play it, you can see that the little kitty is looking confused. All right, a very confused cat looking and wondering, where the hell am I? So we're gonna add or send this kitty to another place. All right, not some dark place. We're gonna send the kitty to a good place. All right, so to do that, we're gonna go back to our project bin. All right, so just click on this project right over here, and you'll just return to your project bin very easily. Now we have our elements right over here. Okay, so I've selected another background here, a background video right over here. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is, firstly, before bringing in this video, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and select this video, current video, and I'm going to move it up one layer. All right, so just so I can place this other video right over here. So let's go ahead and drag and drop this video, and I'm gonna place it right over here. So now you can see that the little kitty has been taken to a Christmas Candyland. All right, there's a snowman in the background as well, and also there's snow falling, and lots of lollipops and sugar canes are falling just like that. candy canes, not sugar canes, candy canes. All right, so now we're not done editing. We're partially done with this lesson. Actually, I just removed the background, but I want to edit this video a bit more to make it much more appealing. So now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and bring in some music as well to complete the video. So I already have this video, music audio over here, and it's from Christmas. All right, it's for Christmas videos, Christmas music. So let's play this now. All right, so we have our music right now, but you can see here that the video, sorry, not the video, actually, this background video is actually a bit longer than the cat video. All right, so we're gonna measure it out, and the music is much longer than any of them. So we have to trim it, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the razor tool to trim the full length, or the full, both the audio and the video. We don't need to cut the cat video, we just need to cut this one. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and press on shift. So if I press on shift and then I press here, right over here, you can see here both the audio and the video has been trimmed or cut. Okay, now I'm selecting the not selecting, I'm gonna select the track select forward tool. Okay, so now if I do this, you can see both of them has been selected. Now I can just right click and delete both of them. Now we have the perfect measurement for this video and the perfect length as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the selection tool, and now let's play this video. And now if you want, you can add some text as well at the end. Let's add a text right over here. Right over here. Okay, so we're gonna add some text right over here. Just go ahead and use the type tool from here and just place the cursor right over here, and we're just gonna type in Merry Christmas. Let's put this Christmas. Okay, so let's select the selection tool again, and now we're going to orient it and scale it. Okay, now if I want to edit further, if I want to add some special fonts or any other, like right now it's added this one, so let's go ahead and select some other font. Let's select this one right over here. Okay, and we're gonna change the color of the image as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the text right over here. You can see it says Merry Christmas. And now let's change the color. Let's change the color to, let's say, red. Let's go back here. Okay, so we got our small Merry Christmas text, and now let's place it somewhere where it looks really good. Okay, so let's keep it right over here, or maybe here was fine. Make this a bit longer. Okay, so it's fine over there. All right, so let's keep it like that, and now let's play this. Okay, let's go ahead and trim this part right over here. We don't need it. Cut. All right, so we have the measurement done. Now let's go ahead and render this video. We don't need the full quality, the high quality, we just need it rendered right away. Just gonna wait for some seconds right here. It says 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so the rendering is done. Let's go to the folder and check out our video. So here in our folder we have the video ready. So I hope you understood how you can actually get rid of the background in your green screen, okay, how you can add more effects. Now it's not only with this video, you can add any type of background that you want, okay, just go wild with your creativity. So that's it for this lesson, guys. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Practice at home, and if you have any problem, you can ask us, no problem, we're always here to help. All right, so with this I'm going to end this lesson, and I'll see you in another one. Okay, goodbye.